Hi guys, I'm Nia and I'm here to do yet another this or that kind of video, and this is the Hairfall shampoo edition in which we are going to compare two Hairfall shampoos from two popular brands, one being Sunsilk and the other Tresemme. So if you want to know which one is for you, then keep on watching this video till the very end. But before that, if you are new to the BeBeautiful channel, then go ahead and subscribe right now and also tap on the bell icon so that you can stay updated with our latest videos. And now let's begin. Now before we move to the facts and the claims, let me introduce you to the two opponents. So this is the first opponent. This is the Sunsilk Hairfall Solution Shampoo and this is the Tresemme Hairfall Defense Shampoo. So the Sunsilk Hairfall Solution Shampoo retails for 198 rupees and in that you get 340 ml of product. And the Tresemme Hairfall Defense Shampoo retails for 120 rupees and in that you get 185 ml of product. Now of course, for the purpose of comparison, the 340 variant of this shampoo right here retails for 220 rupees, which obviously means that this one is a little more costlier than this one, but of course not too much. Now let's talk about each of their claims, beginning with the Sunsilk shampoo. So the Sunsilk states that it's going to reduce your hair fall by up to 10 times, whereas the Tresemme shampoo claims that it's going to reduce about 97% of hair breakage with just one wash. So it looks like the Sunsilk one is going to tackle hair fall which happens at the root, whereas the Tresemme one is going to tackle hair breakage which happens anywhere along the hair shafts. Now let's compare the ingredients. So the Sunsilk one has soya vitamin complex. So as you know, soya is an excellent natural plant-based source of protein. Soya is going to strengthen your hair follicles and thereby reduce your hair fall. Also, the isoflavones derived from soya are also going to tackle the hair loss. Plus, when you flip the bottle and go through the ingredients, you'll realize that it also has citric acid in it, which is really good to treat itchy scalp, which is yet another reason for hair loss. As for the Tresemme Hairfall Defense Shampoo, this one has keratin protein in it, and keratin, as you know, is an important part of the structural building block of your hair. So this is going to strengthen your hair follicles and make your hair really strong and healthy. At the same time, it also has niacinamide in it, which is basically going to help you grow your hair longer and faster because it has blood circulation boosting properties. That's not all. Niacinamide is also going to improve the texture of your hair. It's going to add some volume and it's going to add some shine into your hair. Now let's talk about texture, consistency and fragrance. So in terms of fragrance, both of these shampoos have a very similar kind of fragrance, except that this one is a little more sweeter, whereas this one has a much more fresh scent. Now in terms of the consistency of both these products, I can barely tell the difference. Now comes the big question. Which one should you get? So let me quickly tell you about my experience of using both these shampoos. So last year during the lockdown, especially in the months of monsoon, I had a lot of hair fall. That's when I went ahead and bought this shampoo because it was super easily available in my next door chemist. So what I did notice is that after using it for about 2 weeks, I did see a considerable amount of difference in my hair fall. Plus bear in mind that I did go ahead and made some really important lifestyle changes such as eating right, sleeping on time, exercising, and then when I paired it with this shampoo, yes, it does work. My hair fall was less worrisome. Plus what I did notice after using the shampoo consistently is that my scalp felt little less irritated and itchy. Now the Tresemme Hairfall Defense Shampoo is something I've been using only recently. So what happened was that I was experiencing a lot of hair fall and that was primarily due to hair damage due to heat styling. All girls who style their hair, I'm sure, know these struggles. The winter that went by and because of no moisture in winter, the matter just got worse, and that's when my friend recommended me to get this shampoo right here. Upon using the shampoo for about a month, what I did notice is that it made my hair far more stronger. Plus it's made my hair really shiny and I have no split ends. So I really feel like this is something that I've been loving recently. Now have I confused you a little? Because honestly I like both of them. So let me explain you a little further. So if you primarily have hair fall and that is the concern that you want to address, then I would recommend that you opt for this one. This is a Sunsilk Hairfall Solution Shampoo because it has soya protein and it has citric acid. Now when put together makes for a much more stronger ingredient that is effectively going to tackle hair fall. Now I cannot vouch for the fact that it's actually going to reduce your hair fall by up to 10 times. What I can tell you is that after using this particular shampoo for 2 weeks, I did notice a difference difference in my hair fall. But bear in mind that along with using this shampoo right here, I had to diligently work on my diet, take hair fall supplements and do a whole host of things to fix my hair fall. If you are experiencing a whole lot of hair breakage, then I would recommend the Tresemme Hair Fall Defense Shampoo, because hair breakage is often caused due to dryness, heat styling, improper hair drying techniques, and as you know, this formula has keratin protein in it. It is going to really strengthen your weak hair follicles and thereby it's going to make your hair really strong. Plus, it also has niacinamide in it, which will then make your hair stronger and reduce the hair fall. Also, if you have a whole lot of frizz, then niacinamide is really going to make your hair shiny and soft. So I really feel like you need to know which concern you want to address, and then you will be able to make the right choice. Now, if you've used any of these shampoos, then let me know which one worked for you in the comment section. Before I go, make sure that you like and share this video, and you also subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. And of course, hit the bell icon so that you can stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, bye guys.